Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone charging but not saving issue on iPhone in iOS 13.4.1. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, check the charging cable and the power adapter. Make sure you are using a genuine Apple charging cable and power adapter. Inspect the cable for any signs of damage such as frayed wires or bent contactors. Try using a different charging cable and power adapter to see if the issue persists. And then after this, the next solution is clean the charging port. Over time, dirt, lint, or debris can accumulate in the charging port, preventing proper charging of your iPhone. And use a soft bristlet brush or clean toothbrush to gently clean the charging port. Be careful not to damage any of the pins inside the port. So guys, clean the charging port of your iPhone and then clean the charging ports. And then after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, and then after this, the next solution is check for software update. So guys, check if the new version is available on your iPhone to update the new version. If is it available, go to settings, go to general, tap on software update. So if the new update is available, install iOS security response. And then after this, the next solution is reset all settings. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode. So right, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.